We're going to talk about pop-up blockers on iPhone. While pop-up blockers are great for preventing intrusive ads and unwanted pop-ups, they can sometimes interfere with legitimate website functionality. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to turn off the pop-up blocker on your iPhone so you can navigate the web smoothly. You can turn on or off anytime you want, so this way you can use it how you want. Before we start, please remember to like the video and share it. Thank you a lot. The first step in turning off the pop-up blocker on your iPhone is to open the Settings app. Look for the Settings icon on your home screen. It's a gray gear-shaped icon, and tap on it to open the app. In the Settings app, scroll down and tap on the Safari option. This will take you to the Safari settings menu, where you can customize various aspects of your browsing experience. In the Safari settings menu, scroll down until you find the General section. Here, you'll see an option labeled Block Pop-ups. If the pop-up blocker is enabled, the toggle switch next to this option will be green. To turn off the pop-up blocker, simply tap on the toggle switch to disable it. The switch will turn gray when the pop-up blocker is disabled. After disabling the pop-up blocker, you may see a confirmation dialog asking if you're sure you want to turn off pop-up blocking. Tap on Disable or Turn Off to confirm your action. Once you've disabled the pop-up blocker, you can exit the Settings app by pressing the Home button or swiping up from the bottom of the screen, depending on your iPhone model. Now that you've turned off the pop-up blocker, you can test your browsing experience by visiting websites that previously triggered pop-up warning. You should now be able to navigate these websites without encountering any pop-up blockers. And there you have it. You've successfully turned off the pop-up blocker on your iPhone. Whether you're browsing the web for information, shopping online, or accessing web-based services, disabling the pop-up blocker can help ensure a smoother and more seamless browsing experience. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.